Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for an India study visa. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. And my intention is just to show you how you can navigate through a service. Alright guys. So guys, when it comes to applying Indian study visa, a lot depends upon your location as well, like where exactly you're gonna submit your application. The process is same as you can see on this official site. First you gotta apply online, then you gotta print your application along with documents you need to submit at an Indian mission. In some countries like Canada, it is outsourced to an agency like BLS, so you need to find out whether you're directly gonna do it at your nearest Indian mission or you have to go through a third party. You need to find out and you need to do that. But yes, the process is going to be, let's apply online, submit document, and you are also going to pay the fee, and then if granted, you are going to receive the visa. Alright. So the very first thing here is to select country. Then based on that, it will give you the option. Now it's going to ask you your nationality, date of birth, email ID. This you can do. Expected date of arrival. You can select visa type. This is very important, what you asked. So if you select student visa, purpose, see you have so many here: school education, studying yoga, theological, research scholar, internship, regular courses, higher education, music, dance. So if you want to come for Vedic culture, Buddhist studies, this is the one. And then you are going to enter the code, and then after we finish this, we are going to click on continue. It's the main page where you need to provide your details, your surname, given name, gender, date of birth coming from the previous place, town, country of birth, whatever is applicable in your case. I'm just putting some sample. National, region, religion, visible identification mark, education qualification, and then your passport details. So I'm going to fill some sample and we are going to go to the next stage. In the next page, it's going to ask your address, present address, permanent address. If both the same, just check it. Then your father details, mother details, marital status, whatever is applicable in your case. Present occupation, whether you are military, police, security organization. Your heritage to Pakistan or Pakistani national or belong to Pakistan held areas. So you need to put that information. Then again we are going to continue. Okay, so in the next page they are asking details of visa sort. So student visa and purpose already suggested, and there are some fields where you need to put your destination, institution information, address, reference, and once you are done you can click on save and continue. Next, additional questions. So I'm putting no to all, but you need to read and find out. This is about your criminality and other things, and then you got to check and click on save and continue. Okay, so once you upload the photo, your application is done, created. Then you have to go with the documents that they are gonna ask. Then here on you will be asked to verify the details, and then you're gonna pay the fee and then submit documents, and then from there it goes away. So thanks for watching this guys. I'll keep you guys updated.